Hey guys, happy Monday. Sorry today's upload is gonna be a little late, as it is 8:17 p.m. here, so had some moving around to do. But in big news today, Bitcoin crossed the 50 EMA resistance, which is solid since it's the first time it actually even touched the 50 EMA since like May 12th. That's a good sign. So what we expect now here is for it to normally like drop down, called like a pullback, drops down and then bounces off this 50 EMA again as like a support, and then it'll continue back up. If it does that, then we're bullish for the long term. This is a short term bull run, 1 week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 1 week, yeah. So if it bounces back down to this 35,000 level, and it closes above 35, let's say it closes at like 36,000, in the next few days, then it's looking good for long term. Um, the portfolio did well today, 3.7%, mainly because Astra kind of shot up this morning. Well, this today peaked at 15.36%, which is, I mean, how much lower could it have gone? It was a big drop from when it IPO'd or merged with the HOL, Helicity SPAC. Um, my American Airlines call made me a lot of money today too. If we actually check on today's return, I got $78, 15% gain in that. But you can see the cover call I sold was down, is down 114%. Not good. But how this works is like, see, it was a 22 call that I sold, but American Airlines is at 2208. So technically, if one day expires on August 6th or August 8th, let me see, August 6th, when this expires at this price, let's say today was August 6th, then I would lose. I would have to give up 100 shares because someone will most likely exercise this or close the option and not exercise it, but just take all the profits. So it, like, usually in the beginning, like when people start doing these trades, just make sure that you close it properly. As in, I still have about 2 weeks before this option expires, and the theta decay of this option is quite high. So every day it loses $3 worth of value. So if I just wait those extra, like all the way up to like August 5th, there all the extrinsic value, if there is any, would have been like eliminated almost on August 5th. So essentially, what you want is, yeah, the price is above it right now, and instinctively you'd want to, like, close it out before it gets worse, so you lose more. But it actually, you could just wait for the time decay to happen, and maybe one time, if American Airlines drops to like $20 throughout these 2 weeks, you could just close it, take some sort of profit, because the extrinsic value would have been really low at that point. So that's a proper way to actually manage a poor man's cover call versus just taking a loss, where you should wait for the theta decay to occur before you actually do it. So try to sell as close to the expiration date as possible. Well, close it, not sell it. But other than that, um, not much more to tell you guys. Strikecoin, just chilling. A little bounce up with Bitcoin this week, and then it just stabilizing. This kind of looks like a bull flag. Usually when it's like a big candle up like this, and then just like um, a channel that goes diagonally down, that's usually a great indication of a bull flag. So what happens is, um, it stays in this formation for a little bit, and then it'll either, usually it's bull flag because it starts with the starting candle's green, so it'll shoot up. But in this case, you saw it broke it. Or no, I can still see it in there, but it's getting too long versus like the size of this candle. So it's I think it already broke once it opened down here. I think it's just trying to get back, bounce off this as resistance, and then it'll probably go back down a little bit more. But again, this is a long-term position, so I'm not too worried. Right now, yeah, we're at 3,157, solid. Other than that, pretty good day. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment about any options or investing topic you want me to talk about. And yep, talk to you guys later.